Welcome back, everyone. Hello. So in this video, we will be talking about the area. The area is the amount of space. Okay, it is measured in squared units. For instance, centimeter squared, meter squared, etc. Okay, so think of the area as the area inside a given shape or space, meaning it is how much space is taken up. For instance, here we have this shape as if we want to count how many squares we have. Okay, so how many square units we have here. You can divide the figure into two parts. This is one way. You have 4 rows, 2 in each, in total 8. The other part you have 6. Their sum 8 and 6 is 14. The area is 14 units squared. You can always pause, try, before you see the answer. You can cut it this way. You can find another way. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 8 and 4 is 12. The area is 12 units squared. Cut it this way if you want. On top you have 2 rows, 4 in each. 2 times 4, 8. The second part, 3 rows, 5 in each, 15. 8 and 15, 23 units squared. That's the area. Find the area of this one. Enjoy! That's it for this video. Have a nice day.